Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Cape Race Lighthouse in Newfoundland is a historic lighthouse located on the southeastern tip of the Avalon Peninsula, overlooking the Atlantic Ocean. It has a rich history dating back to its original construction in 1856. The current lighthouse, made of reinforced concrete, was built in 1907. This lighthouse has been a crucial navigational aid for ships sailing the often treacherous waters of the North Atlantic. One of the most notable events associated with Cape Race is its role in the Titanic disaster. On the night of April 14, 1912, the lighthouse's wireless station was one of the first to receive distress signals from the Titanic. This connection to the Titanic has made Cape Race a point of interest for many visitors. The lighthouse stands 29 meters tall, and its light can be seen from 24 nautical miles away. Visitors to Cape Race Lighthouse can enjoy stunning views of the rugged coastline and the vast Atlantic Ocean. The surrounding area is rich in natural beauty, with opportunities for birdwatching, hiking, and exploring the unique landscape of the Avalon Peninsula. Cape Race Lighthouse is a designated National Historic Site of Canada, ensuring its preservation for future generations to appreciate its historical significance and natural beauty.
Thanks for watching!